Hello students, in this session I am going to explain about the structure of carboxylic acid. Structure. Carboxylic acid has planar structure. And we can write here the structure is planar and the angle between them is 120 20 degree angle. And we can also say that carbon of carboxylic acid is less electrophilic than the carbon of carbonyl group. Because in this structure we can say that carbonyl group attached with OH group also. When pi electron shifted towards the more electronegative oxygen, the positive charge created is stabilized by lone pair present on the oxygen. So in this way we can see here carbonyl in which oxygen acquire negative charge, and here double bond form and oxygen or hydrogen. So again this come here and this come there. So this group is resonance stabilized. So carbonyl carbon is more electrophilic than the carbon of carboxylics, because in carboxylic carbon, when electrophilic center created, is stabilized by lone pair present on the oxygen atom through resonance. We can say through resonance. So structure of carboxylic acid, we see here carbon, carbonyl group and it attached with hydroxyl group all lie on the same plane. So it is known as structure of carbonyl group is planar structure, and bond angle between them is 120 degree angle. And the less reactive electrophilic carbon of carboxylic acid is due to resonance than the carbon of carbonyl group. Now we see the preparation of carboxylic acid. Preparation. At first, we can prepare carboxylic acid by primary alcohol. When primary alcohol undergoes to oxidation, we know that formation of carboxylic acid takes place by oxidation of primary alcohol. When primary alcohol undergoes to oxidation, number of strong oxidizing agents like KMnO4 in any medium, acid, base or neutral medium, and potassium dichromate in acid or alkaline medium. Third one is Jones reagent, chromium trioxide plus H2SO4. It is known as Jones reagent. If any one of oxidizing agent present when primary alcohol, it is 1 degree alcohol, directly it converted in presence of this reagent, it directly converted into carboxylic acid directly. For example, if we take CH3 CH2 OH, and presence of any oxidizing agent like KNO4 in acid or basic medium, so on. Potassium dichromate in any medium, and third one is chromium trioxide or Jones reagent, directly primary alcohol, 1 degree alcohol directly converted into acid. So here is ethanol, and here is the present of ethanoic acid. So students, we have already know about the formation of acid from the primary alcohol in presence of these reagent. These are the strong oxidizing agent, and in presence of these oxidizing agent, primary alcohol or 1 degree alcohol directly converted into carboxylic acid. Here see ethanol, this part, only this part directly converted into ethanoic acid. So it is very easy method. If you convert primary alcohol to acid, you use this oxidizing agent. Now second method, from aldehyde. From aldehyde. When aldehyde, any aldehyde, use mild oxidizing agent, aldehyde by oxidation. When oxidation of aldehyde takes place in presence of mild oxidizing agent like Tollens reagent, we know the Tollens reagent is a ammoniated silver nitrate solution. It is a ammoniated silver nitrate, we all know that, and the formula of Tollens reagent is like this. So when the aldehyde in presence of mild oxidizing like Tollens reagent or Fehling reagent, see here the chemical equation involved when aldehyde undergoes to this oxidizing agent means ammoniated silver nitrate, or commonly in presence of basic medium, aldehyde changes into acid, salts of acid, and deposition of silver in a side of the test tube, and the byproduct will be ammonia and water. This reaction is also known as silver mirror test, as we have already discussed in the aldehyde topic. Mild oxidizing agent, when Fehling solution is used, aldehyde also changes into salts of acid. If the mild oxidizing agent is Fehling solution, we all know about the Fehling solution. Fehling solution, deep blue solution of two compound. It is a copper sulfate, alkaline copper sulfate, or Rothschild salts. We all know about the Fehling solution. When Fehling solution treated with aldehyde, FrCHO, treated with Fehling solution, copper 2 plus, which is blue in color, deep blue in color. In the alkaline medium, aldehyde converted into salts of acid, and CO2 plus changes into CO1 plus. We know that this is the reddish brown precipitate formed apart from another byproduct. So here we easily convert aldehyde into acid when these mildly oxidizing agent used. mild oxidizing agent because aldehyde directly converted into acid even in the presence of this mild oxidizing agent like failing solution or tolerance reagent. Now next, from nitriles and amide, how can we prepare acid from nitriles and amide? Third method of preparation of acid is from nitriles and amide. Simply we see the reaction at first. When nitrile undergoes to hydrolysis, we know in presence of acid medium or basic medium, formation of amide takes place at first, and this amide when undergoes to hydrolysis in presence of H3O plus, formation of carboxylic acid takes place and ammonia gas release. So when the nitrile is converted into acid, it first converted into amide. This is nitriles and this is amide. See how the mechanism proceed. So see here how the mechanism proceed. If aromatic nitrile compound taken and when it treated with H2O, either acidic medium or basic medium, same thing, at first amide compound formed, and when this amide compound undergoes to hydrolysis, formation of acid takes place. This is benzoic acid and ammonia gas release. So see how the mechanism proceed. At first nitrile, any nitrile compound where lone pair present on the nitrogen in presence of acid. So lone pair present on the nitrogen take this H plus from the acid and nitrogen get protonated. So positive charge appears on the nitrogen. So one of the pi electrons shifted towards this, and here is the positive charge created, and water molecules present in the reaction give their lone pair to the carbon. So see what happens. CH3, C, here is the double bond and N, and this O and H2, positive charge on the oxygen, and this compound is formed. When positive charge appears on the oxygen, one of the H plus remove from here. This H plus again taken by this lone pair of nitrogen. Then what happens? See here. See what happens. CH3, C, it attached with OH. Here is the double bond and the formation of NH2, and the positive charge appears on the nitrogen again. Lone pair present on the oxygen get towards it, so pi electron gets towards this, and see what happens. CH3, C, double bond O, and when H plus remove is again taken by NH2 because lone pair present on this. So this H plus when positive charge when this lone pair goes towards the carbon, so positive charge appears on this, and this bond shifted towards the hydrogen. So removal of H plus again takes place, and this H plus again taken by lone pair present on the nitrogen. So see here what happens: CH3, CO and NH3. When NH3 form, it again removed from this group, and formation of positive charge takes place on the carbon. Again water molecules which present on the reaction give their lone pair to the carbonyl carbon. So what happens? CH3, C double bond O and OH2. Positive charge appears on this oxygen, so it takes this bond here, and the removal of H plus takes place, and the formation of CH3, C double bond O and OH. In this way, formation of acetic acid takes place. Acetic acid. So see here the role of water. At first, lone pair present on the nitrogen take these protons and get protonated. So positive charge appears on the nitrogen, so pi electron shifted towards the nitrogen. In that condition, positive charge create on the carbon, so water gives their lone pair to the carbon. Here, when water give their lone pair to the carbon, positive charge appears on the oxygen, so it takes electrons and H plus removed from the reaction. This H plus again taken by lone pair of nitrogen, so formation of this compound takes place. When nitrogen takes H plus ion protons, positive charge again appears on the nitrogen, so one of the pi electron again shifted towards the nitrogen, and oxygen, here the lone pair present in the oxygen give their lone pair, and formation of positive charge takes place on the oxygen. In that condition, it takes electron and H plus removed from the reaction. When the H plus removed from the reaction is taken by lone pair again present on the nitrogen. So the formation of NH3, when NH3 form, it gets removed from the reaction, and positive charge created on the oxygen, water again give their lone pair, and here this compound get protonated. After giving their electrons, oxygens, positive charge appear on the oxygen, so it takes electron towards it, and removal of H plus takes place, and finally the formation of acetic acid takes place. This is simple reaction mechanism by which nitrile get converted into acetic acid through amide. So student, see here how the nitriles converted into acid in presence of water, either in acidic medium or basic medium. So simple way, learn it. If in this way you can easily understand, easily learn, water comes here and the bond breakage in presence of acidic or alkaline medium, formation of CH3, CO, NH2. Here it gives, water gives H2 and OH taken by this. So the presence of water and slightly heat, this amide compound get converted into OH with ammonia gas which escaped from this reaction. So it is nitrile, and it is amide. So nitrile gets converted into acid, carboxylic acid. It first converted into amide, then to the acid. Now we see the next preparation method, which is Grignard reagent. By using Grignard reagent, preparation of carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. We all know the formula of Grignard reagent, RMgX. Here metal magnesium acquire positive charge and carbon acquire negative charge. When the Grignard reagent treated with carbon dioxide, carbon is attached with oxygen, so oxygen is less electronegative. So here is the formation of electrophilic center takes place, and positive charge magnesium, negative charge carbon. This alkyl attached at the place of electrophilic and pi electron shifted towards the oxygen. This reaction takes place in presence of dry ether. What happens? See here, these are connected to carbon. So at first write carbon, then double bond oxygen, then pi electron shifted towards it gets negative charge, and MgX also attached with this with positive charge. What happens when this compound undergoes to hydrolysis, either simple water or in the medium of acidic? We know that what to provide H plus from water, negative charge present on the oxygen, take H plus from the water and it can converted into carboxylic acid, and the byproduct you can write OH with either X, maybe Br or any. So this is the mechanism involved when Grignard reagent used to form the carboxylic acid. It is the carboxylic acid. So we know about carbon of the carbon dioxide. Oxygen is more electronegative. So obviously here is the deficiency of electron takes place. So alkyl group of Grignard reagent get attached to the carbon of this electrophilic center because it is a nucleophile, and it goes towards the electrophile. See one example of this. By using Grignard reagent, we can easily prepare carboxylic acid. Methyl magnesium bromide, it is a organometallic compound or Grignard reagent. Carbon dioxide, it is negative charge and it is positive. We all know here will be positive charge, pi electron shifted here, so negative charge appears, and this alkyl group goes towards the carbon of the carbon dioxide, and this reaction takes place in presence of dry ether. So the formation of CH3, C, double bond O, and here O with negative charge, and magnesium bromide, positive charge on the magnesium, and when it undergoes to hydrolysis, formation of ethanoic acid takes place, MgOH Br. So it is a ethanoic acid. So remember it, after adding a Grignard reagent, always number of carbon increase. Here is one carbon, and when Grignard reagent attached to this group, so number of carbon becomes increased. So it is a simple method. By using Grignard reagent we can prepare carboxylic acid. We can prepare benzoic acid also by using Grignard reagent, or maybe C6H5 MgBr plus CO2 in presence of dry ether at first, and in second undergoes to hydrolysis. So the formation of C6H5COOH plus byproduct will be MgOH-Br. So it is a benzoic acid. So benzoic acid or ethanoic acid, means aliphatic or aromatic carboxylic acid, can be prepared by using Grignard reagent with carbon dioxide in presence of dry ether. Next method we will discuss in next session.